Welcome to this video about the best opportunity for you in 2020. You probably heard of a lot of different things like Amazon FBA, drop shipping and affiliate marketing. These are all potential ways to earn income online, but stick around until the end of this video to find the best way that I have found to make consistent income online that offers you the ultimate flexibility. Hey, it's Charlie here, helping you grow your entrepreneurial and investing profits on the side. And that is what the aim of this channel is all about. If you are new here, consider subscribing. I'm always searching for ways to make money online, and with that, ways to make passive income. Also to find a way that you can earn income flexibility in terms of where you can work and when you have to work as well. You hear of people earning six-figure salaries online, but then they don't have any free time to be able to enjoy that money, and they're earning this because they're so tied up in their business, or they have a lot of responsibility and find it hard to step away from the business at all. Although there are these sort of businesses that can be very lucrative, it's not that sort of company that I'm talking about today. I want you to introduce you to an online business that gives you the chance to take as much work as you want or as little as you want, giving you that flexibility to work around the rest of the things you do with your life. This is it. The best business opportunity for you in 2020 is to build your own consultancy. You're able to do this alongside your day job, and having your own consultancy offers you the ability to choose the amount of hours that you will do, and you can also choose where you want to work from. If the consultancy can be carried out virtually, you can work from wherever. Personal consultancies can be very effective at giving you time freedom and allowing you to earn a high income for a small amount of hours. They offer you the opportunity to work remotely anywhere in the world, with you also determining the amount that you can charge your clients. In terms of freedom, I think this is the best option because the setup costs are very minimal with this approach. You don't need to have a large team, and this removes a lot of headaches in terms of employment contracts or being able to manage employees well. You're probably sitting there saying that this is a very good suggestion, Charlie, but I do not have the skills to get started on my own in a consultancy because I've no knowledge or no value that I can offer to a client. It's very common that we all undersell how knowledgeable we are in different areas, and we also think that we have to know every detail about an area to be able to charge somebody for that service. But services you can offer, these two ideas are completely false. All you need to do is convince clients that the value that you are offering is worth more than the price that they're going to pay. The second thing you need to be able to do is to deliver this value to your clients. The way that you convince your client that you offer more value than the price you charge is to use a theory that is called stacking. This means that you can bind all the things that you have within your service to that client. Then you put a price on all these different things and show your client that the price of them combined is worth substantially more than the asking price that you are offering for this service. For example, if you were running a interview and CV preparation consultancy for job candidates, the way you would do this is you would look at the services that you could combine in a package for them. You could look at a LinkedIn writing service for £100. You could look at a CV editing service for £150, and then a one-on-one consultancy for £250. If you show all of these prices stacked, then the total price equals to £500. And you can show your clients a demonstration and then show them that this service would only cost them £100 in total. Stacking is an effective tool to be able to sell to your client and show them the value of the stuff that they're getting is worth 5 times the price that they're paying. You always want to show that the value stacked together is worth substantially more, and this is a great negotiation tactic to be able to sell to your clients. The next thing that people say to themselves, which prevents them from setting up a consultancy, is that there are a lot of setup costs involved in creating a personal business, which I can say is not true. The main things that you would look at and that people presume they need for setting up an online business is a brand logo, a website, a client base, testimonials, an online payment processor, and a marketing list. And I can tell you, out of all these things, there's only 2 of them that you need to start earning money online today. And with a consultancy, that is a client base and testimonials. If you have testimonials, it's easier to say to other clients that are assessing your service that you have a credible service that is worth value for money and which clients have found useful in the past. Let's say, for example, you worked for a digital marketing agency in the past. You can use this experience to be able to search for potential clients. You could use the skills that you developed in this role, and then you can look at the types of clients that you had when you were in this business, and then look on the market for similar ones to them. To get started, what you'll need to do is reach out to these different clients, and that could be going on a web page or finding an email to get in contact. Alternatively, you may find a number online that you can call to reach out to the employees in this business, or you can reach out to them on LinkedIn. Find the relative person that you need to get in contact with and drop them a message to begin a dialogue about offering your services. The best way to start is offer your services for free to the first client that you get in touch with, or it could be a personal friend. You can carry out this service and get feedback from this client, which will improve the level of service that you can offer to the next client after that. As well as that, you can also get a testimonial from this person, and you can use this to send to other clients, or if you do have a website, you can put this up and it acts as credibility for your brand. If you do this a couple of times, you're able to record all these testimonials on a page, and then you can use that for a reference point for any potential clients that you get in touch with. Having this testimonial sheet will really get you a lot more sales for your services. After you have done this service for free, then you can reach out to the next client and offer them a discounted service. You can keep doing this and repeat that process of getting feedback from them and a testimonial. Repeat this until you discount each time that you can reach the full price and you are confident with the service you're providing. When you get in touch with a new client, you want to ask them questions to be able to identify the problems that they're having. If the client comes to the realization themselves that they have a problem, then they will seek help from a company. Clients are a lot less likely to seek help if they are told that they have a problem. Your goal as a personal consultant is to set up as many calls with potential clients and ask these different probing questions that make them realize they have problems themselves in the company. Here is an example of how you ask probing questions if you were setting up your own digital marketing consultancy. The first question you would ask is, how happy are you with the marketing campaigns in your company at the moment, to the client? You will get one of two answers from this question. The first answer will be happy, and if you get this answer, then move on to another probing question to try and identify problems elsewhere. The second answer you will get is either relatively happy or not happy. This gives you the opportunity to dig for more information about why they aren't completely happy. Then you will ask why they aren't completely happy, or what could be better about this marketing campaign. You'll get some sort of reason here they're not completely happy, such as they're not reaching enough customers or something along those lines. Your question then will be, what effect is this having on the revenue in the business? Whenever you're asking digging questions, you want to ask around the effect that the topic is having on time or money for the business. Time and money questions are always phrased in a way from what could be achieved with a change or what loss will occur without a change. And this is a good point of view to take for your client to see the effect on time and money. You can ask what difference it would make if you had a marketing campaign that was reaching out to the amount of clients that you're trying to reach. Then they will tell you that that would have a big effect, and you can identify that this is an area you need to change for them. You can say, if you did get a better marketing campaign in place, would you be able to reach out to more clients and make them aware of the services you're providing? This is a sell line, and you can use this once the client has identified their problem. If you feel there is not enough buy-in from the client at this stage, then you want to ask more probing questions to identify more problems, and then finish by adding a sell line again to the next problem you've identified. You have to keep repeating this process until the client is convinced that they need to make a change once and for all. Once they are convinced, this is when you tell them about the service that you offer and how the service that you have can impact all the problems they have identified. You can also mention work with previous clients that you've worked with and how you help them to get past similar issues that this company is currently facing.